Today I'm going to show you how to make this logo design in Canva. Open new project and click in the background. Go to elements and go to shapes. Choose the square and shape it like this. Change the color to black. Go to text and add new text. Type your letter. Change the font to CMU serif. Increase the size. And download as PNG. Increase a little bit the size. Upload it. Go to effects, outline, decrease the thickness to 25. You can type it. Change the color to white and go to text color and change it to black. And download as well as PNG. And upload it. Add page. Let's change the color to black. Click in the first one. Increase the size to fit the page. Go to elements and type glitter, photos, and scroll down. Let's use this one or this one. Go to layers and send backward. Click in the image, edit image, and remove the background. Add new page and click in the second image. Increase the size to fit the page as well. Go to elements and type gold. Let's use this style of gold. Layers, send backward. And click on the image, edit image, and remove the background. And download this one. Select just this one, the third page. Upload. Drag it to the design, increase the size, edit image, and remove the background. And download it. Upload it again. And make the second letter with the same process. And after making the second one, drag it, the first one and the design, resize it to fit the page, and crop it like this. Drag it a little bit to the left, click on the second one, resize it to fit the page, and crop it. Click on the first one, edit image, and remove the background. Click in this one as well and remove the background. Go to layers and send backward. And duplicate this one and crop it. and select both of them and place them in the center. And here is the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.